Project Manager Ken.
Okay, I've been in contact with Todd from Parks down at the municipal building. What he's doing right now, he's checking on prices of the equipment, and he's still checking on the liability. Ricky Booth and I have been missing each other on phone calls, and because I'm going to ask him if whatever these prices come back, will the county install the exercise equipment, because it's going to be metal, there needs to be a concrete pad, and then bolted down.
And paper.
And the thing of it is Todd said that he's had people come out here, and he doesn't see very much activity around here. There was a question about swings. I don't know if we want to put swings out here. There's 4 swings over at Pierre, so that should be efficient. The other thing, when the voting comes up, August 22nd, sometime between 10 and 2, the voting equipment will be delivered here. Nobody can come in this room Monday night, because it's going to be the voting equipment in here, and if anything gets wrong, somebody messes with one of them computers in there, if they get in that cabinet, we're screwed. On Tuesday is going to be voting, so, nobody's going to be able to be in there. The other thing of it is I've got my schedule, good Lord, and I am on call August 16th and 17th. That's the election evening. I've got 6 other days I got to work, so but I will call you if they call me at 8 in the morning and I got to go in on the 16th. The other thing I wanted to bring up is, I know you remember it, but at the August meeting, we need to set up an election committee in August for the November election.
Yep.
Any questions, anybody?
That's coming under new business.
No questions, Ken, but I did speak to Ricky Booth, and I shot him a picture of that other splash pad that went in St. Cameron, where that county commissioner helped get that. So he said it looks cool. So I don't know if he's going to check on that.
I'll ask him about a splash pad, but I have no idea where they would even put it out here. It would most logically have to go somewhere in back here by the fire department, because that's probably only the open area where you can put it. Back there where you got a septic tank. And I don't know what the county's going to do about it, but, Ricky made the comment about $500,000 this year, $500,000 next year. So if he can get a splash pad put out here, hey, fine with me. Put a splash pad. The only thing with a splash pad is, if it's on county property and they pay for it, the county has to check the water once a day.
They may.
Yep.
That's required. So, but if the county wants to put stuff out here, God love it, let them go for it. We don't have to spend no money.
Well, we just spent $1 million for turf at the high school.
Yeah, in St. Cloud High. Osceola. St. Cloud, too, is getting a new football field on artificial turf.
Any questions?
Nope.